Hello everyone. Today I have a very useful video for you. If your phone is suddenly showing a no SIM card detected error, even though your SIM card is securely inside, it can completely cut you off from calls and mobile data. I will show you exactly how to quickly refresh your network settings and troubleshoot the hardware to get your cell service back up and running immediately. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your Quick Settings panel, or open your Main Settings app and go to Connections or Network and Internet. Tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on, wait for about 10 seconds, and then tap it again to completely turn it off. This simple action forces your phone to drop all wireless connections and actively search for your SIM card so it can reconnect to your cellular provider. Next, if the airplane mode trick did not work, open your Main Settings app and scroll down until you find General Management or System Settings. Tap on it, scroll down to the bottom, and select Reset. Then look for the specific option that says Reset Mobile Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap that option and hit Reset Settings to confirm. This clears out any hidden network bugs preventing your device from reading the SIM card without deleting any of your personal photos or apps. Finally, hold down your phone's power button and select Restart to apply all of those fresh network settings. If the error is still there after the phone boots back up, use a SIM ejector tool to take the card out and try placing it into a different phone to isolate the problem. If the card doesn't work in the second phone, you simply need to ask your network carrier for a replacement SIM. However, if it does work perfectly, there may be physical damage to your phone's internal SIM tray, which requires a quick trip to a service center. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.